Hello friends, this is Dr. Kotari from Research Academy. Friends, I welcome you all in my YouTube channel, and today we are going to discuss the test for perfection, and this is the topic under the index number. As of now, we have discussed various methods of constructing the index number under the price index, quantity index and value index. So now we are testing the perfection of the methods these are used in constructing the index number. So friend, let's start. So we talk about the various methods of perfection or a test for perfection. These are basically three tests. Number one, this is time reversal test, time reversal test, and second one is factor reversal test, and third is circular test. Okay, so we have these three tests to measure the perfection of any methods or formula. Okay, so friend, let's discuss these all one by one. So first we will discuss the time reversal test. Okay, so in the experiment of the Irving Fisher, he developed so many tests for such perfection, and this time reversal is one among them. Okay, so as per the Irving Fisher, time reversal test is a test that determines whether the given method or a formula will work both way in time. This both way here means is backward as well as forward. Okay, he stated that if we are working on a data of 2 years by the same methods, and we reverse the base year of these data or while constructing the index number. Okay, so the product of the index number that we secured will be a unity or simply 1. Okay, so technically what he suggested, if our test that gives us P01, and if we reverse the base, that becomes P10. Okay, with the same data, if we reverse the base, so it will become P10. So it should give us a result that is 1. Okay, this one was given by Irving Fisher. Okay, so simply if we reverse the base, so whatever the outcome will be, that will be the reciprocal of the first one. Okay, these two will be the reciprocal of each other, and their product will be 1. Okay, so if we talk about the Fisher's ideal index number, Fisher's price index number for year 1, it was simply sigma P1 Q0 upon sigma P0 Q0 into sigma P1 Q1 upon sigma P0 Q1 into 100. So this one was the formula by Fisher's ideal index number, right? So this was for year 1 on the basis of year 0. Okay, if we construct the same means the index number for year 0 taking the base as year 1 with the same data, so our price index for year 0 on the basis of year 1 will be what? It will be simply, it will be sigma P0 Q1 upon sigma P1 Q1 into sigma P0 Q0 upon sigma P1 Q0. Okay, so this will be our formula if we reverse our base, right? So what Irving Fisher says, if we multiply these two, say P01 into P10, what it gives to us? It gives us, that is sigma P1 Q0 upon sigma P0 Q0 into sigma P1 Q1 upon sigma P0 Q1 into sigma P0 Q1 upon sigma P1 Q1 into sigma P0 Q0 upon sigma P1 Q0. Okay. Now these all will be cancelled out by each other. Let's check it. Sigma P0 Q0, sigma P0 Q0, sigma P1 Q0, sigma P1 Q0, sigma P1 Q1, sigma P1 Q1, sigma P0 Q1, sigma P0 Q1. Okay, so these all terms are cancelled out by each other. So what it gives to us? It gives us under root 1, and root value of 1 is simply 1. Okay, so by this way the Fisher's test was justified. Okay, and it gives us 1, right? So friend, this was the procedure, or this was the technique for testing the perfection of Fisher's ideal index number, right? Okay, you just please note it down. Next we have second one, that is the factor reversal test. Okay, what the factor reversal test says? It says that the product of price index number and quantity index number will be simply sigma this will be our sigma P1 Q0 upon sigma P0 Q0, or simply it is our value index number, right? Okay, so second we have, that is factor reversal test. Factor reversal test. Okay, so what the factor reversal test says? It satisfies what? P01 into, it is Q01 equal to value index number for year 1 on the basis of base year 0, right? Okay, so it says that the changes in price index and multiplied by changes in quantity is equal to the total change in the value. Okay, so factor reversal test says about the changes in price index or price into changes in quantity is equal to the changes in value index or total change in the value. Okay, so let's prove it. Okay, so our V01 here means V01 is simply sigma P1 Q0 upon sigma P0 Q0. So this is our value index number, right? So now just put the formula together for P01 and Q01. So we get P01 into Q01 equal to, that is by Fisher's ideal index number, sigma P1 Q0 upon sigma P0 Q0 into sigma P1 Q1 upon sigma P0 Q1. Okay, now into, for quantity index, what we do? For quantity index we have to replace this P with Q or Q with P. You please just recover to the last video when we discussed this quantity index. We have to replace P with Q and Q with P. test will remain same. Okay, into sigma, this P replaced by Q, Q1 P0 upon sigma Q0 P0, Q0 P0 into sigma Q1 P1 upon sigma Q0 P1. Okay, we have to replace P with Q and Q with P. Okay, now let's see whether this gives us output as sigma P1 Q0 upon sigma P0 Q0 or not. Now here it is value index is sigma P1 Q1 upon sigma P0 Q1. Okay, please just correct it. Value index is sigma P1 Q1 upon sigma P0 Q0. Okay, so just check it. Sigma P1 Q0 and sigma P1 Q0. This one is. So this one is cancelled out by this one. P1 Q0. P1 Q0. Right? Second, this is. Okay. What it is? Sigma Q1 P0. Sigma Q1 P0. Okay. Let's check it. This one is P0 Q1. P0 Q1. So this will be cancelled out by this one. What remains left? So we have under root this one is sigma P1 Q1 upon sigma P0 Q0 into next again sigma P1 Q1 upon sigma P0 Q0. Okay, so this is left. Okay, so simply it is sigma P1 Q1 upon sigma P0 Q0 square. Okay, so it will be simply what? Sigma P1 Q1 upon sigma P0 Q0. Outside this root or square root of this one upon this one square is sigma P1 Q1 upon sigma P0 Q0. Okay, so P1 into P01 into Q01 is V01 and V01 equal to sigma P1 Q1 upon sigma P0 Q0 and our output is sigma P1 Q1 upon sigma P0 Q0. So by this way the factor reversal test is conducted. Okay, if it is the output is same as value index number, our method is appropriate, otherwise not. Okay, so third we have circular test. Okay, circular test is used when we have a data that to be compared for years. Okay, for you can say period of years. Okay, more than 2 years, right? If there is a comparison for more than 2 years, then this problem arises whether the test or method is appropriate or not. Okay, so this is circular test number 3. Circular test. Okay, so circular test is conducted by two ways. Number one, that is simple aggregative method. Okay, and second one is it is weighted aggregative. It is second one is the fixed weighted, fixed weighted or fixed weight aggregative method. weighted aggregative method. Okay, so we have two methods under the circular test. Okay, if we talk about the simple aggregative method, so the formula for testing the efficacy or appropriateness of the formula or methodology is sigma p1 upon sigma p0 into sigma, this is p2 upon sigma p1 into, as it is circular test, under the circular test this p01 goes here, okay, at this place for third year or fourth year. Okay, so this becomes sigma p0 upon, we are running 0 1 and it will be sigma p2. Okay, so this must give us 1. Okay, so if we measure the perfection of this test, the output of this should be 1. Okay, so if it is 1, our test is appropriate or our methodology is appropriate, otherwise it is not. Okay, whereas under the fixed weighted aggregative method, the formula is sigma p1q upon sigma p0q into sigma p2q upon sigma p1q into sigma p0q upon sigma p2q. Okay, q is the fixed weight for measuring this test. Okay, so it should also give you 1. Okay, as we can just state, this is p1 p1 p0 p0 p2 p2, all are cancelled out and output is 1. Similarly here all are cancelled out and produces result 1. Okay, so these three are the method to test the perfection of the methodology or methods that we use for constructing our index number, right? So friend, thank you very much for watching this video, and if you have not subscribed this channel, please subscribe it, share it and give your valuable comments, and have a nice day ahead. God bless you.